Welcome back. The evening session is fully underway at the Asa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships inside the National Stadium, with several finals completed earlier this afternoon and the 400 meters still to come. Jerome Foster is at the National Stadium.
Thank you, Jermaine. And as you join us here at the National Stadium, it's Edwin Allen Girls after 12 finals leading with 105 points. Their nemesis, Hydel High, they're on 68. St. Jago, 67. Homewood Technical 40 and Woolmer's Girls 35, rounding off the top 5 for the girls after 12 finals. Meanwhile, on the boys' side, after 9 finals, it's Kingston College. They are out front on 83. Jamaica College, the defending champions, on 56.5 points. St. Jago, they are out there in third on 34. Calabar 27 and Stets 23. Jamara Alves of St. Jago, well, she's the star of the championship so far. She has won back-to-back gold medals. She threw 40.30 meters to win the girls Class 1 Javelin Open, and that is her second gold medal, as I said earlier, after winning the discus on day 2 here at the National Stadium.
It was very challenging to overcome those challenges, but with my coaches along on my side, I was able to come over and I was able to come out here and perform, and I'm grateful for my coaches on the side of me are helping me out.
Meanwhile, Woolmer's Girls, they had a 1-2 in the Class 3 high jump. Shaniqua Williams, a personal best, 1.74 meters, clearing on her second attempt, while Daniel Noble finishing second, also in a personal best of 1.71 meters.
Well, it was good that we were battling to get it and all, and I'm glad that we achieved our goal.
Earlier in the day, the world under-20 leader, Brianna Liston, the silver medalist from the 100 meters, she clocked 24.21 seconds to qualify in the Class 1 200 meters. She wasn't the fastest though, as Veer Technical's Kayla Kelly led all the qualifiers with 23.87 seconds.
We're now in Class 1 as they're sent off, and Kelly goes to work early. And Kelly joins Bridge atop at the turn. It's Kelly with the lead now as they come inside the straightaway. So it's Kelly of Veertech ahead of Bridge of Edwin Allen. And further back, Linton of St. Jago. But it's Kalia Kelly who will take the win ahead of Bridge of Edwin Allen.
Meanwhile, Brian Lavelle, the Class 1 100 meter sprint champion, he's looking for back-to-back gold medals as well at the championships and completing a sprint double. He logged 21.78 seconds to win his heat in the Class 1 200 meters.
Set hand off. Lavelle, the 100 meter champion, is up and about quite well. Also ranging up, we've got Weber, Morris and company, but Lavelle now stepping nicely, comfortably and easy in a comfort zone. Brian Lavelle stays on course for the sprint double, comes home quite comfortably. 21.78 the flash time for Brian Lavelle. Officially now, yes it is, 21.78 seconds.
Meanwhile, in the relays, we won't see Tina Clayton or Tia Clayton in the 200 meters because they're looking at bigger things later on in the year. Well, Tina, she was on the backstretch in the 4x100 meters and she burnt the track up in helping her team, registering 45.32 seconds to win their heat in the Class 1 4x100 meters, the fastest time on the day in the event.
Outside of them, Immaculate, giving them somewhat of a chase at the moment. And here comes the second of the two Claytons, the second of the twin turbo, as Renato Brown calls them. And Edwin Allen, I would say this was well within themselves. Edwin Allen, 45.33.